Hello, yes, I hope you're doing well, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you this job, data entry specialist, remote job. It's in Toronto, Ontario. Remote job, it's in Canada. So it's for entry level guys, no experience, entry level. And right now, 19 applicant has been applied to this position only in 3 hours. So if you are there, you can go ahead and apply. Okay, this job is worldwide. Okay, so it says Bland Trust is the company, is user owned talent network that connects you with a great jobs with no fee or membership cost. So you keep 100% of what you earn. About hiring process, when you join this company, you will be invited to screening process by this company to learn more about your previous work experience. Once completed, you will have access to employer with role or the and other top companies that seek in high quality talent. Apply to this job to kick off the process. Type of job is freelancer, contract position, no agent, guys. See note below. So location, it's remote job and work from anywhere. This is very interesting, guys. And the time zone, you will be able to work on this time zone. So hourly range, they pay this amount of money up to 15 hours per hour. Up to $15 per hours. Estimate duration is $10 per week, 10 hours per week, short term. So it means you can even do this job part time. You can still work your full time job, still be a freelancer to this kind of position. Yes, requirements is you have to be ready to do data manipulation, critical thinking, decision making, working in Google Excel and Excel sheets, fluent in English, ability to respond within 1 to 2 business days. So, guys, this is what we'll be working on. First deliverable, creating company product listing on our client's platform. Mysterious operational task for customers on platform, complying spreadsheet based on company search. What we'll be working on will be in charge of updating variety of spreadsheet and listing on the platform. You will mostly be working on the administration panel and Google Sheets. So, more about the role will be fundamental part of ensuring their customer have smooth experience using the platform. Guys, this is the job I want to share with you. This is the job number. If you want to know that this job is legit, you have to check this job number. You remember the video I shared with you last week about jobs in Canada? What you have to do is to go to jobbank.com and go to find this job number if it is there. Okay, so you have to check this Bright Trust company if it is rigid company. Okay, this role is not available for C2C candidate working with agents. So if you are already working with these agents, you are not included. If you are a professional contractor who is created in this company around constructing practice, this is well aligned with Bread Trust, and you are welcome to this position. Okay, guys, I wanted to give you this quick video about this company. What you have to do is to go to LinkedIn, search this Bread Trust, again, search this job, data entry specialist, and then do easy apply. Always update your LinkedIn account, because if you do this easy apply, they will be able to access your LinkedIn. They will be able to access so many information. So, guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Go ahead and apply, and good luck. I see you in the next video. I'm preparing a video about scholarship. Stay tuned and see you around. Bye bye.